Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the old brushes from the motor. I'll remove the brush cap with a screwdriver. With the cap removed, I can remove the brush. To install the new brush, I align it with the brush holder and insert it. Then I'll place the cap over the top of the brush spring, compress the spring into the brush holder, and secure the brush with the brush cap. When securing the cap, I like to first rotate it backwards until I feel the threads engage. Then tighten it into place. That way I don't accidentally cross-thread it. Don't over-tighten the cap or you can crack it. I'll repeat this process on the other side. And that's all it takes to replace your power tool's brushes. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.